Hello friends, this is the audio test of the Pioneer SBX 101 wireless soundbar and subwoofer. I did the unboxing a month ago. I couldn't get time to get the audio test because of the coronavirus issues. So now I am going to test it using royalty-free music from YouTube. As you can see, this is a very compact subwoofer and soundbar. It's not very large, but Pioneer, in my experience till now, has proved much better than Blockpong and JBL. Though the audio quality is not that wow for the price. That means I got it for 10,000, but it is very reliable and it's much more, sort of. Um, the audio quality is much more precise when you compare it with JBL. Blockpong in India is just rebranded Chinese products, so I wouldn't rate this the same like Blockpong. But when you compare it with JBL, this is slightly better. And with one of the JBL soundbars I purchased, I had a very bad experience. I'll make a video later of that. So now I'm going to do the audio test. So I'm going to play some royalty-free music from YouTube. The volume which is set in this soundbar is 45, the maximum, and there are no equalizer presets done. The TV volume is almost very minimal, 18, and I've connected this with a higher television using a 3.5 mm audio jack. So let's check the audio and please judge for yourselves. Here comes the first song. So, as you've heard, this was the first song. My TV volume was 18. Now I'm going to increase the television volume to around 25, and the second song will be played with 25 TV volume. Here comes the second song. So, friends, hope you like the second song. This was 25 volume. Now, let's go to the final song and listen to the final one and decide for yourself. Let's go to the third song. Friends, the third and final song. Let's hear it. Friends, that is it. Three songs. Hope you liked it. My judgment is the Pioneer SPX 101 is the best soundbar comes wireless subwoofer I have purchased till now for the price. You simply cannot get a soundbar with this sound quality and bass from the subwoofer for this price. There will be many subwoofers which might be slightly better in the audio quality, but the reliability which Pioneer gives you, I'm stressing on reliability because I've purchased so many soundbars and subwoofers from brands like Blopong, JBL, and I have had trouble, in servicing and products getting faulty. So with this one, even though it's 1 month, because I'm a person who's indulged in electronics and audio for such a long time, I can make out that this is one hell of a reliable product. And the audio quality of this one with the remote gives you a lot of features. The bass is not, up to my level of liking, but for the price, I'm very happy with it. And the treble and the detailing from the soundbar is not crisp as I want it to be, but still for the price and comparing with other soundbars from JBL, which sells for around 12,900, and from Blopong, I find this audio quality slightly better. And this is a very compact subwoofer, unlike the JBL, unlike the Blopong one. It's very compact and it's giving a much more better audio quality when you compare with products from Blopong and JBL priced around 8,000 to 12,000. So in that note, what I would say is for the price I paid, I'm very much satisfied with the soundbar. But if you're looking for audio quality, I would say just go for a like 15,000 rupee soundbar, Pioneer soundbar, which you get in India, or a Sony soundbar, because audio quality this needs to get a bit notch better. But for the price, this is as good as anything. So that's my audio test, friends. Hope this video helps. Thank you. Bye bye.